Turkey has advanced its defense capabilities with the serial production of the BARKAN unmanned ground vehicle. Developed by HAVELSANâ, this versatile UGV excels in reconnaissance, surveillance, and fire support, operating autonomously or remotely. In January 2023, BARKAN successfully tested the MET mini-missile, a 40mm laser-guided rocket with a 1,000-meter range and pinpoint accuracy, marking a leap in precision strike technology. BARKAN's modular design supports diverse payloads, including the SARPEL combat module, which sports a 7.62mm machine gun and thermal sights. At the International Defense Industry Fair in 2025, BARKAN 2 debuted a 12.7mm weapon system with a 400-round capacity and a 2,000-meter effective range. By May 2025, operational success drove expanded production, with software upgrades significantly enhancing its autonomy for complex battlefield scenarios. BARKAN 2, weighing approximately 900 kilograms without payload, operates silently using an electric propulsion system for over 5 hours with a range of 2 kilometers, supporting missions such as mine detection, bomb disposal, casualty evacuation, load carrying, and advanced 3D mapping. In November 2023, BARKAN 2 became the first UGV to launch kamikaze drones, successfully deploying loitering munitions within a 15-kilometer radius, a global milestone in unmanned warfare. Turkey's vision for network-centric warfare shines through BARKAN's swarm capabilities, demonstrated in 2023 through coordination exercises involving Bahar drones and additional UGV platforms. A strategic 2025 partnership with Egypt to co-produce specialized UGVs adapted to Middle Eastern operational conditions underscores Turkey's growing influence in global defense, firmly positioning BARKAN as a cornerstone of autonomous combat innovation.